Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Rashid, hope you are very well. Today I am talking about 6 visiting places in Kufri. Let's start. Number 1. Kufri Adventure. Experience fun-filled amusement park rides and more with Himachal first advanced amusement park surrounded with great hiking, skiing, beautiful scenes and loads of adventure. The Kufri Fun Campus is one of the finest hill adventure sports experience ever in North India at 9,000 feet height above sea level. Enjoy your activities under the supervisions of highly professional and trained staff. For adventure sports and snow skiing, zip line, valley crossing, balancing rope bridge, bamboo bridge, Burma bridge, commandos net climbing and etc. All these activities are single time. Number 2. Kufri Fun World. Located at 2,800 meters above sea level, Kufri Fun World is one of the highest amusement park in the world. It has the highest go-kart track in the world. Situated amidst the snow-capped Himalayan peaks, it is one of the most beautiful situated amusement park in the world. At Kufri Fun World, enjoy the thrill of riding the swimming boats and the merry-go-round at the top of mountain. All of that backdrop of the latest popular local tunes. Take some time to relax in the canteen and appreciate the magnificent views across the Himalayan mountain. Number 3. Creek Nano Nature Park. Creek Nano, about half an hour away from Simla, has everything to make a hill holiday unforgettable. Whistling woods, an inviting treehouse, a magical lake, flower-filled green meadows, undiscovered track and an eco-friendly play area for kids. There is nothing much except for a tree house and a step walk of 300 to 400 meters. There is a tree house which you can climb, not a comfortable climb at all. All you can do is click pics, not because it's a scenic, but because there is nothing much you can do here. Number 4. Himalaya Nature Park. Situated about 18 km from Simla at over 2600 meters altitude, the Himalayan Nature Park is located amid 90 hectares of temperate vegetation that form natural habitat for many wild animals of the western Himalaya. Other attractive animals in the nature park include masked deer, black bear, Tibetan wolf, leopard cat, sambar, and cheer pigeon. Limited camping facilities within the park and facilities for guided trek, especially for student groups, are available. Number 5. Skiing in Kufri. Kufri, the winter sports capital of Simla, leaves each and every visitor splendid with its beautiful white cover of snow. It is a skier paradise. The thin cover of snow is perfect for hosting the adventure sport. The best time to roll into the snow of Kufri is from mid-December to early February. During this period of the year, Kufri has perfect snow carpet to offer for skiing. The place, which was known as a small pond according to its name, tourists farm to the place for getting a fun-filled skiing experience. Number 6. Shivpur, Masubra. Shivpur is a place near Masubra. The way to go to Shivpur is from the one Masubra. About this place, it's very peaceful, less crowded. There are hotels and homestay and camps if you wanna stay. That's all.